My name is R. Priyadarshini. My project title is Preliminary Design of PSLV's First Stage using Advanced Solid Propellant. My guide is Dr. Rajiv Kumar, and I did this project in Vailtech University. My aim of the project is to preliminary design of a PSLV's first stage using Advanced Solid Propellant. Objectives of my project are selection of the suitable solid propellant, selection of the suitable grain configuration, preliminary sizing of the PSLV using the current chosen solid propellant, comparing the present design with the existing design. Solid rocket motor contains fuel and oxidizer in solid phase combustion. It consists of igniter, propellant, chamber and nozzle. And propulsion mechanism is propellants are stored in a metal casing known as combustion chamber. It is ignited with the help of an igniter. During combustion, high temperature product gases are produced in the combustion chamber, which expands through nozzle to produce thrust. Advantages of solid rocket motor is it is a very simple device without much complexity in the system. Overall cost is low when compared to liquid rockets. Once ignited, cannot be stopped until the propellant is completely burnt. It is prone to combustion instability. The burn rate of solid rocket depends on the combustion chamber. Types of solid propellants available are double base or homogeneous propellant, composite or heterogeneous, and the mixture of both is composite modified double base propellant and nitramine propellant. The double base propellant is nothing but fuel and oxidizer are mixed at molecular level, and the composite propellants are all the ingredients are mixed in physical form. Applications of solid rocket. For a double base propellant, it is used in missile application because it produces a smokeless exhaust gases and it leaves a less signature. For composite propellant, it is widely used in launch vehicles such as PSLV and GSLV. Introduction to PSLV. PSLV is the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle and is the first operational launch vehicle of ISRO to launch its Indian remote sensing satellite. It is a 4-stage rocket that uses a combination of solid fueled and liquid fuel stages alternatively. The performance and the dimensions of PSLV are: the propellant used is HDB based solid propellant and the length of the rocket is 44 meter, diameter is 2.8 meter and the thrust produced is 4,860 kilonewton and the impulse is 269 seconds and the burn time is 105 seconds. In order to select the propellant characteristics is very important. They are high specific impulse, high density, good aging quality or long life, low absorption of moisture, simple, safe, low cost and low hazard manufacturing, non-toxic exhaust and not prone to instability. Burn rate and its effect. There is always a high demand of large burning rate for the propellant. The advantages of having high burn rate is that the size of the vehicle could be reduced and payload capacity can be increased. There are various methods to improve the burn rate of solid propellants which are discussed below. They are AP particle size reduction, adding a burn rate modifier, aluminum particle size reduction. Using above methods, various high burn rate propellants are formulated. Using this advanced propellant composition, there is a possibility for reduction in weight of the well. So, from the analysis and the research work, various compositions have been formulated by various researchers over the decades, and I have chosen the composition 2 and 3 with rich constituents with burn rate 54 mm per second and density 1648, and also the third composition having 40 mm per second and 1770 kg per meter cube. So these two compositions will be further concentrated and worked with grain configuration and the performance analysis. Selecting the grain configuration. Selecting the grain configuration depends upon the type of burning which is available, that is progressive and regressive and neutral. Progressive is the thrust, pressure and the burning surface area increases with burn time. Regressive is the thrust, pressure and burning surface area decreases with burn time. And the neutral is it remains same with burn time. Types of grain configuration available. So many grain configurations are available, although star grain configuration gives a neutral burning, but also it is very difficult to formulate. So coming back to the PSLV's first stage, thrust is 4860 kilonewton, length is 20.34 meter and diameter is 2.8 meter, and the impulse is 269 seconds, and the burn time is 105 seconds, and the propellant used is solid HTB. End burning configuration is the simplest grain configuration used in solid propellant. Using composition 2 with a known thrust and specific impulse, the mass flow rate of propellant is obtained to be 1869.48 kg per second. The diameter was found to be 5.798, which is exceeding the previous diameter, and hence this composition was not suitable. Similarly, results was also obtained with composition 3, and hence this configuration is not suitable. Cylindrical grain configuration. This is also another simple configuration where large burning surface area is possible. Using composition 2, the thrust produced at the end of burn time is 40,014 kilonewton, which is 8.2 times the initial thrust, and it leads to progressive burning. Thus, this configuration is not suitable. Using composition 3, the thrust produced at the end of the burning is around 31,340 kilonewton, which is 6.4 times the initial thrust and leads to progressive burning. Both the composition is not suitable because of progressive burning, but composition 3 is more suitable than composition 2, and further study will be carried using composition 3. So my project was I have designed a modified end burning and cylindrical burning configuration wherein the first and the second configuration is combined. This design is such a way that overall burning will be close to neutral burning. Cylindrical burning will be progressive with burn time, but the end burning will reduce the burning length, indirectly reducing the surface area for cylindrical burning. But this reduction in burning surface will be compensated by the increase in port area. Thus, an attempt was made to resize the PSLV's first stage using an advanced propellant. Work has been done with various configurations such as end burning and cylindrical burning. The result shows that the thrust does not favor to the requirements as it leads to progressive burning. An attempt is made here to get a configuration which gives neutral burning. Thus, a modified grain has been designed, which is a combination of end and cylindrical burning. Thank you. These are my references where I have researched and worked on this. Thank you.